Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be solving a 4x4, and this is the same one that I got for Christmas, so I'm going to try to see if I can solve it. And so, when solving a 4x4, you have to implement some things from the 3x3, which implements some things from the 2x2. So the 2x2, at minimum, only has about 2 algorithms. The 3x3, depending on how you do it and which method, it can have 8 to 15, even 20, and I've memorized like 10 of them. And for the 4x4, you need to memorize a lot more, so it's like over 20. So I'm going to be trying to see if I can solve the 4x4. So I'm just going to mix it up real quick. Alright, so I've mixed the 4x4 up. And the thing about the 4x4 is that there are no centers. You have to create the centers yourself. So that's the first step I'm going to be doing. And let me just examine it real quick. Alright. So what I've done is I've created the white and yellow centers, so I'm trying to create the rest of the centers right now. And in addition, I've solved part of the cross, so that's going to be helpful later. Alright, so I've solved the centers. Now I need to match up the edge using this edge pairing technique I found. Alright, so I've matched most of the edges with the corresponding colors, so I just need to match these last three now, and hopefully I can remember how to actually do that. Alright, there we go. So, I've matched all the edges now, so what I need to do is just solve it how you normally would with a 3x3. Alright, so this is a thing called a parity. So, on a normal 3x3, this kind of pattern wouldn't be possible. So you need to do a certain algorithm to fix it. So, are you kidding me? No, I messed it up. I was so close. Alright. Yeah, that algorithm usually gets me. I always mess up on that one. The parity one's hard to remember. Now I have to fix everything again. Hey guys, so I'm still learning the 4x4, so what happened here is that I messed up one of the algorithms with just the parity I was talking about, so I'm going to keep practicing and hopefully in the next time I do a 4x4, I'll be able to solve it. If you liked my breakdown on the 4x4, please like the video and turn on notifications, and be sure to watch out for any other 4x4 or Rubik's Cube videos that I have, and I'll see you all in the next video. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-na-na-na-na-na.